What's up guys, it's Massacre and welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been a long time since I put videos out on the channel. That's because I was kind of occupied with school and a few other things. But now I hope I can put out more videos and that'll include both unboxings, vlogs, and some other things that you would like to see. I hope you guys should like them. Today I'm going to be unboxing the DJI Mavic Mini, and this I have here is the Fly More combo, which means you get a lot more for just $100 extra. If you've not subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button and also click the bell button to get notifications when I post new videos. That being said, let's get to it. Before we take a look at what's inside the box, I just want to give you a quick rundown of the specs. The DJI Mavic Mini comes at a weight of 249 grams. And why this is important for an entry-level drone or a beginner drone is because the FAA rule states that if you fly a drone below 250 grams, you don't have to register it. Although this rule may differ from country to country, so it's really important to check the drone laws in your country. Now, coming to the dimensions, the Mavic Mini is relatively small and in fact is compared to the size of an iPhone. When the Mavic Mini is folded, the size is about 140mm by 82mm wide. And then when it's unfolded, it's 160 by 202mm. When it's fully extended with the propellers, you get 245 for the length and you get 290 for the width. And this is how it looks compared to an iPhone. Now, coming down to the speed, the Mavic Mini has three modes. It has a sport mode, the position mode, and cinematic mode. And the maximum speed in the sport mode, which is meant to be the fastest mode, is 13 meters per second. And then at the position mode, it comes down to 8 meters per second. And then at the cinematic mode, which is meant to give you more smoother video, it's as low as 4 meters per second. Coming to the flight time, DJI says the Mavic Mini should be able to fly for 30 minutes, but in reality, I would say you should get about 20 to 25 minutes, which is a decent time to fly a drone. The DJI Mavic Mini has a 12 megapixel camera with fixed ISO range, so unfortunately you cannot adjust the ISO, it's automatic. You're able to shoot at 2.7K. I know a lot of people are saying, why does this drone not shoot at 4K? But I think for vlogs and being an entry-level drone pilot, or you're making videos for Instagram or social media, you really don't need 4K video. Coming to the battery, the DJI Mavic Mini has a 2600 milliampere battery, and I think that's a big enough battery for this small drone. The Mavic Mini has two transmission modes, the 2.4 gigahertz and the 5.8 gigahertz range. The maximum transmission distance in an area that's unobstructed by buildings, Wi-Fi, or an area that's less dense is 500 meters for the 5.8 gigahertz and 2000 meters for the 2.4 gigahertz. Now let's get to see what's inside the box. Opening the box, you're greeted with a grey carrying case with a DJI Mavic marking on it. I must say this case looks very durable. Next in the box, you have the propeller guides. Let's put this down for a second and see what we have here. Next, you have a small box and another even smaller box. And this should be the batteries. Now let's see what's inside. So here we have 3 batteries. The Fly More combo gives you 2 extra batteries. And next we have the manuals. Make sure you read them. Then we have the 18-watt USB charger and the propeller guides for flying indoors. Moving on, let's see what's inside the carrying case. I must say I like the way this really feels. Well done, DJI. Inside we have the charging hub that allows you to charge the 3 batteries at the same time. The good thing about this hub is that the battery with the highest charge is charged first so that you can easily move on with your flying. On the side we have a power button, a micro USB charger and a USB port, which allows this hub serve as a power bank for your other devices. Next, we have the USB cables for charging the batteries as well as connecting your phone to the controller. You get two USB-A chargers, three small connectors for your iPhone, micro USB, and USB-C. Next, we have the RC controllers. It has an inbuilt battery, and at the front, you have two buttons, one for power and the other for return to home. At the back, you have the record and snapshot button as well as a slider for adjusting the orientation of the drone's camera. When you open up the holder for the phone, you find the joysticks tucked in. I really like that they have a cutout for them so you can easily store them away when they're not in use. You install them by simply screwing them to the top of the controller. Easy peasy. Up next, we have a small pack which contains the spec propellers and a mini screw for fixing them. It's important to take note of the propellers before taking them off because each side of the drone has a unique set of propellers which might affect performance when they are not properly installed. Lastly, we have the aircraft itself. I must say that this drone feels really light to hold. Remember to remove all the stickers from the drone before flying for the first time. To extend the legs, you need to pull out the front legs first and then unfold the ones at the back. Taking off the stickers at the back, it reveals the door for the battery. Be careful not to break the hinge while doing this. Finally, the DJI Mavic Mini Fly More combo costs $499, and on the extra $25 you can get the 128GB SD card. In all, you get the carrying case, two extra batteries, charging hub, the propeller guides, and spare propellers. I think this is a really great bargain. Let me know what you think in the comment section and what you'd like to see in the full review. Until next time, I am Mastercard. Bye.